Okay, so folks, so Mr. McStache here. I've been asked to do a video on the GoPro remote. It has been synced to my phones. Let me flip you around here. Let me fix this real quick. Bad mustache day. All right, let me flip you around here and we'll start talking about this. Okay, so here is my GoPro remote. It is mounted right there. This is camera 1. And you can see it is hardwired. This is camera 2 back here. You can see it is hardwired to prevent the battery problems. And that's camera 3. So what we are going to do, because we're doing it with the phone here, I'm not a fan of using the power buttons for these, but it does work. So we power on the remote there. It comes on. It starts searching for the cameras. Okay, it's got one camera turned on. You can see the same displays on the camera there. So you can see it only took one camera. All right, let's try this. Let's do this my way. So we'll turn this back off. We'll do it my way. We will turn this camera on. Zoom back out there. We will turn this camera on, which is why I do this. We will turn. Oh, let me see it. Let's turn this camera on. All right, that camera's on. All right. So terrible recording, I'm sure. So now let's turn the GoPro remote on. Comes on, searching for cameras. And what you want to see is a bar up here, and it says how many cameras are attached there. 2 cam, 1 cam. Come on, you're going to give me a problem now, are you? All right, you stopped it. See, now it's reading 3 cameras ready. So you got that camera, and that camera ready. So what we are, all right, we have 3 cameras, just like you want. Hit the button, they start up. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take off for a ride, and I'm going to, at random points, turn the record, start to record, and stop the record. Hopefully, on my post, I'll put in three scenes, and they'll all click on and they'll all click off at the same time, kind of give you a feeling of how this remote works. Okay, folks, so because of how I record my audio, I can record the audio and key the cameras on and back off. What we're going to do is go out here for a ride. I turn the cameras on there. And there's the horn if we need the horn for the audio sync, but that should be 3 cameras rolling. And with just a push of that remote there, I don't know if that allows for enough view down to see my remote there or not. I will try and keep my head tilted down when I turn on and off so you can, when I turn off, because you won't see when I turn it on. So, yeah, all right, here we go, ready, and stop. And that should have shut off all 3 cameras, and at the same time. I don't know what that word is I was looking for, but at the same time. Hang on, folks, I'm going to hit that button and bring you back in here in a minute.
Alright, this is where you cut out the long sides. Going from Borders Road
To, what is that? 370. I don't know, depends on what your aunt wants to call. we go home. Gonna suck, honestly. Is putting all these together. Right, I'm gonna do it right when I get home because I'm gonna forget what the heck's going on with this. And some of these cameras have some footage on them, I think, already, or they don't. Maybe they don't. They should have been cleaned off. I don't know. It's gonna be rough trying to get this all put together. But hey, I was asked to do this, so I'm gonna do it. And Lily, congratulations, Lily, class of 2022. All right, we're back on. And look, we're stuck at a red light. What's the red light challenge? Oh wait, no, that's a different type of video, ain't it? Okay, for your red light challenge, can you stick out your tongue and breathe through your nose at the same time? Oh, I mean, yeah, of course you can. You look like a dog when you're doing it. Sorry, folks, could resist. Oh my goodness. Sometimes I wonder about me. Roll up through turns here. So yeah, if you have any questions on this, I mean, I may or may not, depend on how long the video goes, put a how-to of syncing the videos or syncing the GoPro to the camera. I think there's plenty of videos out there for that. This is not a end-all to beat-all. I learned it by watching other people on YouTube, so I'm sure there's plenty of videos out there for other people to watch. I was just asked to do it. I'm not quite sure why. It's because they know I'm not going to shoot the breeze up their bum or what, but yeah, I mean, it's not like it's anything spectacular or anything somebody else can't do. I mean, it's just, it's how I do it. That's all. I have done it. I will put some examples in here where I have done it from one bike to another. Just done it earlier this weekend. The camera on the other bike is facing me, so you'll be able to see some range. It does reach for a good distance. I know that because I have put it on the wife's bike, and one camera on the wife's bike and a remote on my bike, and videoed that way. And like I said, this weekend I put it on a friend's bike and had him. He was there's me, another bike, and him at one point. The other time he was a lot further up. He was several bikes up, and it kicked on and recorded. So I'll put a couple examples of that up here. So yeah, it does work for a pretty good range. I don't know the specs. I will look it up, but you know how far GoPro says it does. But we all know GoPros are quirky, and that is why I will tell you, yes, in a heartbeat, I 100% rely on it to start and stop the cameras. Power on and power off, not so much. Some people do trust that. Some people say this. I don't know which one is smart remote, which one is the GoPro remote. I can't say off the top of my head. Some people say the other one works better or something. I don't know. I know what I have is one I came across, priced right, so I bought it because I am very budget conscious. But no, there you go. All right, well, off one more time. We're going to stop here. Pow. And you got, oh, no. See, I still got the red light. No, it did shut off. The red light is gone. So, I turn my remote back on here. Or not turn it back on, but hit the record button. it comes back on, and hopefully you can see that red light. If not, I will get better pictures of the red light working with the phone later on. There you go, folks. That's it. That easy, that simple. Start, stop with the record. Powered my camera, so, you know, I mean, I don't know how long I've gone here, but I'm sure it's been long enough, so. People ask me about the remote. There you go. Sync with your cameras. In my opinion, you turn your cameras on, let the remote find the cameras, and use it to start and stop your recording. That's what I recommend. Anything other than that, you're on your own. This has been an Oh You Didn't Know instructional video. So, there you go, folks. Thanks for watching Mr. McStache. And we're going to see you bye.
Until next time, folks, remember what Mr. McStache always says. Love on your family. Check on a buddy. And when you get back out there, always keep it rubber side down. Until next time, we'll see you.